Important news. Trump's executive order, lowering home prices and major changes for the real estate market in 2025. The new executive order signed by President Donald Trump in 2025 aims to reduce home prices and improve housing affordability for American citizens. Here are my personal insights that I would like to share. This executive order is not just another economic policy, but a major turning point for the real estate market and the personal finances of millions of people. 1. The housing crisis in 2025. In recent years, U.S. home prices have surged due to high interest rates, severe housing supply shortages, tightened financial regulations in construction, speculative buying from large institutional investors. As a result, many young people cannot afford to buy homes, or must accept extremely high interest loans. Social pressure is mounting on policymakers to address this. 2. The main contents of the executive order. President Donald Trump's new executive order focuses on 3 pillars. A. Increasing housing supply, reducing legal and administrative barriers, encouraging rapid construction of new housing projects, prioritizing permits for affordable housing and social housing projects. B. Combating real estate speculation, enforcing regulations to limit short-term speculative buying, imposing higher taxes on property flipping transactions, tightening rules on real estate investment funds. C. Improving financial accessibility, providing preferential interest rates for first-time homebuyers, slightly easing credit requirements, expanding mortgage assistance programs for the middle class. 3. Direct impacts on home prices and buyers. This policy will not cause home prices to drop immediately, but in the medium term, a strong increase in supply, limited speculation, and support for real buyers will stabilize or moderately reduce home prices. Give first-time homebuyers better opportunities. Reduce pressure on mortgage interest rates. In particular, the affordable housing and social housing segments will benefit significantly within 2 to 5 years. 4. Challenges and criticisms. There are risks and downsides to this policy. Easing credit could create a new housing bubble if not well managed. Investors worry that anti-speculation regulations may reduce market liquidity. Some experts fear that CPI and inflation could be affected by injecting additional credit into the economy. However, my perspective is, if implemented carefully, transparently, and with proper control, this will be a positive step to balance the housing market. 5. Lessons for investors in 2025. Investors need to stay alert and mindful. The real estate market from 2025 to 2030 will favor projects with real value serving real demand. Short-term, speculative investors will face higher risks. Rental properties, affordable housing, and social housing will become goldmines in the coming years. This is the time for long-term investing, focusing on cash flow and intrinsic value, not just on price appreciation. 6. Philosophical message on real estate investing. Real estate has always been about patience, not quick profits. Success in real estate has never been about luck. It requires a deep understanding of the market, patience, long-term value creation. For young investors, this is a golden time to start accumulating assets. Even if you can only invest small amounts, with the right knowledge and persistence, you will be the winner in the long run. 7. Practical advice for real estate investors in 2025. 1. Avoid speculative investing. Right-pointing arrow short-term investors will suffer losses soon. 2. Focus on cash flow properties. Right-pointing arrow rental homes, social housing, and sustainable development projects. 3. Prepare strong financials. Right-pointing arrow maintain an emergency fund and avoid excessive debt. 4. Stay updated on policy changes. Right-pointing arrow don't miss out on interest rate or credit incentives from the new programs. 5. Be patient. Right-pointing arrow real value will reveal itself after 3 to 5 years. 8. Core message for the 2025 investor generation. We are not just investing in assets. We are investing in our future. This executive order is not a magic trick to make housing cheap overnight. But it is a golden opportunity for those who understand, are patient, and know how to seize it. The investor generation of 2025 to 2030, if guided properly, could become the wealthiest and most sustainable generation in modern real estate history. Thank you, and see you again.